So this is the second one, and the first thing we're going to do, like earlier, is we're going to import math, and we're going to define main so we can start coding. Go back. Alright, and the first thing we're going to do is give value to the word original, and our original price for this calculation is going to be 120. And our increased price is going to equal to original, and we're going to add with, so because we need 20% of the original price, we're going to multiply that with 0.20%, and that's how we find the increased price. And next we're going to find the decreased price. And to find the decreased price, we're going to take the increased price that we just calculated, and we're going to use that to minus the percentage of, we're going to find the decreased price by taking, so we're going to find the decreased price by taking the increased price and using that to, we're going to take to find the decreased price, we're going to first find the 20% of the increased price, and then take that number and use it to subtract the increased price, and that's how we get the decreased price. And to find the difference between the original price and the new price, we're going to put original minus decreased. I'm going to put that original. Alright, and we're just going to define this really quickly, and it's going to be processing, and what it's doing is calculating the increased, decreased, and decreased prices and the difference between original and new price. Original and decreased price. Alright. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use output, and what the output is gonna have is calculated values for prices. And now we're gonna print. We're gonna use the print function, and we're gonna put in the original price as defined in as given example in Canvas. And now we need to use what we defined here. So we're going to put the original price is, we're going to use a different bracket and put in what we're using. So original, and then we're going to close the bracket and put in format so that our program knows what number we're trying to use. So original is equal to original, and then close up one more time, and then we're gonna print the increased the price after increase, the price after increase, and then we're gonna use what we used to define, and increased is defined here. We're going to close that, and we're going to close the function. We're going to put format increased is equal to increased. I'm going to close that bracket twice. And now we're gonna put the new, so it's gonna be the decreased price now. The price after decreased, and we're gonna format, and to find the decreased price, we're gonna take the original minus decreased. Oh no, that's not right. Decreased is equal to decreased. We're going to close that twice, and print. We're going to put the difference is, and we're going to use the same bracket. We're going to put in difference, close that bracket, format original minus decreased. My bad. Difference is equal to difference because we're just explaining to the program what value to use. And lastly, what we need to do is tell the program to run, and to do that we're gonna put if name, oh my god, we need space, if name, and we're gonna and it's equal to main something's not right. Oh, okay. Yes. I'm just gonna save the program, and we're just gonna run it to see if it works. That's weird. Wait, what? Name name syntax. So that, and we're gonna save it again. Run module. Yay! There you go. That's how we do this problem.